Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. We can uninstall applications from this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and the other way is to do it through the Zepp application. So to do it directly on the watch, wake up the screen on it by pressing the lower button, then press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the icon of the app you want to uninstall, then press and hold on it. You will enter the edit mode, and here you will see that on some of the icons you have this minus button. Basically, these apps are removable, and you can remove them by tapping on minus icon, tapping on delete, and the app will be uninstalled. And then you can press the lower button to go back to normal mode and then to watch face. And to do it through the F1 application, you simply open the Zepp app on the phone that is paired with your watch. Of course, it needs to be paired with your watch. Then tap on device icon, and here find the App Store, and tap on the arrow right here. Then tap on Mine, and here you should see the list of applications, and for some reason, oh no, it is here, it just doesn't fit on the list. So you need to tap on More, and here we have the list of apps installed on our watch, and if you want to remove them, you need to tap on the bin icon, select the app you want to remove, tap on Delete, tap on OK, and the app will be removed. And if you go to the watch and open the menu, you will see that the app is gone. Okay, and that's how you uninstall applications on this watch, or from this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.